everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, we're driving home from getting my celebratory Frappuccino for hitting 150 subs. Thanks guys. Hi everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, do you see the sign look? I know, it's totally out of my comfort zone. And I forgot to hit record. So we're going to try again. And you are going to get a bonus video this week tomorrow. Yay! But this is going to be your bonus video initially. It's the Walmart beauty box. Time for an unboxing. If you're not familiar with the Walmart beauty box, it is a $5 beauty box. And it's delivered, it's samples, it's $5. And they say always to celebrate your beauty. And there's a beauty box survey for $100 in there, but let's see what's inside. Ooh! It's the Miracle Sculpting Sponge. And that's the, ooh! Because these are like more than $5. And so, I've not used this. It's for highlight and contour, is what it says. But hey, I'll use it. There's a hairspray from Tresemme. There's, oh wow, yet another body spray or another lotion. And this one's from Aquaphor. It's Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. That's a fun word, ointment. So yeah, you know what? I've been using this Gold Bond Radiance Renewal and has an exfoliator in the lotion. It's kind of nice to use it on my legs. Here's an Aveeno lotion. These things, by the way, these sample sizes, they're great for your purse. And I use them in my purse. So, yeah, that works. Rock or ROC. It is a neck and face cream. It has a sunscreen screen of 30 SPF 30 and it's a multi-correction. I don't really know what that is, but hey, we're gonna look. Toothpaste. Yay! It's the extra whitening toothpaste. It's a natural brand called Hello or regularly Hello, and a purifying brightening gel mask, and this is to refine and clarify. In other words, it's going into my stash of stuff. Directions for the Aquaphor, directions for the, it's an advertisement for the sponges. Like we need that. We're gonna buy it anyway, aren't we? Well, I'm not, because I bought like 12 and I get a lot in subscription boxes. Not anytime soon, but I will. So yeah, that is today's Walmart unboxing, Walmart beauty box unboxing for $5. I think we did well. I mean, heck, the sponge alone. You throw in the other stuff like the travel size hairspray and little lotions and stuff. We're good. This I'll have to pass on to someone because Aveeno and I don't get along. My skin doesn't get along. So, anyway, we'll talk to you guys later. And if you like what you see here, help me get to 200 subscribers.